but we still make a way. Yeah. It's always gonna be rainy days, so I just stack in case. I got hustles, that don't fade away. Still get paid, even when the skies turn gray. On sunny days, they buying merch to stay fly. When it rains, they inside and the money dry. I strategize, I plan and momentize. I weather storms to make the stocks rise. Yeah, feel like Dow Jones in the dip when it's slow. Raindrops hitting windows, but the grind don't go. I'm CEO, so I move different. One stream slow down, then I pivot, then I flip it. I'm thinking passive, merch, music.
Darkness, he's the man of the night. You already fucking know Harlem, man. West Side, yo. Can't make this up, yo. Shout out to the big homie Jay-Z, man. That shit is amazing, B. Had Nas out there, Eminem, you know what I'm saying? Slick Rick, everybody. It was fucking lit, yo. I wasn't there, but I'm gonna say like I wish I was there, you know what I'm saying? I'm busy on the grind, you know what I mean? But somehow, yo, I feel like, yo, it look amazing when I see it online, you know what I'm saying? And I just wanna, you know, show love, man. It ain't really about that, but I just wanted to say that shit is amazing, you know what I'm saying? And shout out to him and everybody, Beyonce, you know, Blue, all his whole family out there, bringing the family out, the legacy. That shit is amazing, people, you feel me? It really is. Like, you know, regardless of what, it's good to see, you know what I'm saying? Or elite shit, you know? Sold out shit, you know what I mean? Real talk, niggas mad. Fuck 'em. We sold out. Not sold out fucking stadium, motherfucker. Yankee Stadium. You already know what it is. New York, man. Black on the Stones, man. We won in, though. We won in that. We want to perform up there with the big homie Hov, you feel me? Like, I got so many fucking hits. Jay-Z, imagine featuring on some of my hits, you dig what I'm saying? It'd be crazy, B. You feel me? I know the world want to see that shit, you know what I'm saying? I just want to see what y'all motherfuckers, what y'all niggas think about that shit. Like, y'all see what, like, do y'all see my vision? Can y'all hear it when y'all listen to my music? You do what I'm saying? The line, like, it's high frequency music, man. It's nothing to play with. Trust me, man. Rap God shit, you feel me? Underground king, icon shit. Nobody in the world can fuck with me. Any team that I join, it's like fucking Voltron, you dig? Like, it's over. You know what I'm saying? We transforming, pause. Like, we already in our God estate. You dig what I'm saying? So it's just moving up. Like, yo, man, everybody.